In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a milestone in ClickUp. So if you want to add milestones, it is pretty simple. Let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to add a milestone, first go to your projects and then you'll see your tasks. To add just a milestone, head over to plus here and you'll see we have add task, but for our case we don't want to add a task, we want to add a milestone. To add a milestone, head over to this arrow here and then click on it, and under create choose milestone. So if you click on milestone, now you can see when the symbol is here, you can now go ahead and add whatever you want, maybe great customer, like that, and then send. So our milestone has been added. So that's how you can add a milestone in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.